Hello, welcome back to our today's class. In our today's class, we are going to look at logarithmic equations and expression. And here is the example that we have. Solve the simultaneous equations below. We have log y base x is equals to 2 and xy is equals to 8. Now, allow me first of all begin by calling log y base x as equation 1. Let me call it equation 1. And xy as equation 2. So that we are going to change equation 1 in index form. Remember, it is in log form. And as you remember, in our previous class, we learned changing log form to index form and also changing log form to index form. So we learned that if suppose I have a raised to power m, which is equals to n, and I want to write this in log form, then n here is going to be our log, m here is going to be the answer, and a becomes the base. The base do not change, the base just remains the base. Now, if in our case we have log y base x is equals to 2, we are going to write this in index form, and as we've seen, the base remains the base and 2 becomes the power, and the y, which was the log, now becomes the answer. So you can write this in a different way by saying that y is equals to x squared. Now allow me to call this equation 3. Call it equation 3. Now let us look at equation 2. Equation 2 was xy is equals to 8. So we are going to have xy is equals to 8. Allow me to write this also in a different way by making y be the subject of the formula. So how do I make y be the subject of the formula? I'm going to divide through by x, so that I have y is equals to 8 over x. Then you also allow me to call this equation 4. Now, bringing equation 3 and equation 4 together, we have y is equals to x squared and y is equals to 8 over x. Don't forget that y is also equals to y. So we say but y is equals to y, therefore x squared is equals to 8 over x. Then we divide, we multiply through by x. X squared is equals to 8 over x. Let us multiply through by x. When we multiply through by x, we are going to have x cubed. Remember, x squared times x is x cubed. And when you multiply through by x, x is going to cancel that one out, so we are going to have 8. So that we have x cubed is equals to 8. Now we're going to look for x. For us to find x, we're going to cube root the left hand side and the right hand side. So we cube root the left hand side and also the right hand side. Now the cube root of x cubed is x, and the cube root of 8 is 2. So in this case, realize that our x is 2, so x is equals to 2. We're going to find y. Remember, we had found y whereby we were asked in equation 3, we said that y is equals to x squared. So from equation 3 and the value of x to be 2, so we say y is equals to x squared, and our x is 2, then we're going to say y is equals to 2 squared to give us the value of y to be 4. So we found y also. So we can conclude by saying that x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 4. So x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 4. We can also try to prove this. So proof. Let us prove and see if it is true. Remember, in equation 1, in our equation 1, we were told that xy is equals to 8. Xy is equals to 8. And here, our x is 2 and our y is 4. So 2 times 4 is equals to 8. Then it is true that x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 4. So it is true that x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 4. So that marks the end of this presentation. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you share, and also like for more videos. Thank you.